we've had it all apart and we're putting it back together, is to re-gap the contacts. See, as the engine spins around, it turns this and it opens and closes that little contact right there. And that is what we need to adjust. Now we need to get it to the most open position, and then it is gapped to between, according to the service manual, between 0.014 and 0.016 inches. So that would be 0.015, right? That's what we're going to aim for. So basically it goes right in there, and then you have these two screws here that I have loosened. I fit that in there. Looks like I need to loosen a little bit more. And get it till it just feels right, and then tighten stuff up. Open it up again, just to double check that everything's feeling right. Yeah, feels good.